Welcome guys to the new Tilia Homes Verdant Rise new site, new development, new build houses. So now come in now. Let's get a bit more comfortable. I am currently here at the entrance of one of their show homes, and this show home is pretty special. As soon as you enter the home, you've got these really nice staircase leading up to all the bedrooms and this really big hallway, which to the left of me, if you come inside, is the main living room of the house. And as it is a show home, look how amazing the interior design and furnished it is. So as you walk in, it is very spacious, very big, and you've got very nice seats. You've got seating there, a TV here, and it's nice entertainment space that you can do. As soon as you leave the living room, you walk into the dining room, which is basically connected if you want to entertain more guests. You've got this really big dining table right here. You've got an 8-seated table and potential for a bigger dining table as well, which also here leads you to your garden. You can see it is a very nice layout and very open. As soon as you go from the dining room, you have got the main kitchen right here. It is, as I said, very spacious. You've got all your appliances and a very nice kitchen, L-shaped, with your obviously towers right here with your oven, oven and grill. And as this spacious kitchen leaves, you have got your laundry room. I personally love a laundry room. I mean, it's very convenient, and you've got your washing machine and obviously your necessities and a door to go outside. Really beautiful. It is a royal blue color matched with rose gold handles and obviously a nice neutral worktop. And so you have got your appliances, you've got your hob right here, you've got your dishwasher, very nice inbuilt, and one of my personal favorites, a towel. And of course, some more seating. You've got your breakfast table right here that you can sit very nicely. Personally, my favorite color, green. Enjoying a nice sip of squash. If you go past, you've got a nice downstairs toilet, very spacious. This whole house is very spacious, and that is actually painted, hand painted, no wallpaper, very nice. And right at the start of the house, you've got your mini office right here. Good for my mum. And now let's head upstairs. Let's head to the left-hand side. And right here is the primary master bedroom, if you want to say. You've got very nice mirrored wardrobes right on the side of you. And as you come in, nice little hallway to enter into your room. You have got a massive bed. I mean, look at this size of this whole bedroom. The size of this bedroom. I mean, you've got very nice light coming in from the windows, and a plus point, you have got your own ensuite right here. That is very nice. Now let's head to the other bedrooms. primary room, you've got a kids room right here, a smaller size room, very nice, very spacious, and more light coming in on the back side of the house. This is the upstairs family bathroom, and this is the main one upstairs, and it is very nice. It is all neutral, nice clean palette, and look at the texture of it. It's hexagon tiles which seem very nice, very textured, and you've got your own bath. I mean, who doesn't like a bath? And of course, to blend in with white, you've got some nice green plants as well. Bedroom, another backyard facing room as well. It's also very nice. This is more of my palette, more greens and nicer, but I mean here in all of the house you have got these really big windows. They let in a lot of light through, oh wow, and it is so much more nicer. You've got a very nice view of the garden as well. And finally, the second room. I say that this one is more of my style and more of my bedroom, as obviously the primary would be my mum's. However, look at the size of this one. I mean, it is front facing. Of course, I need a front facing room, and I need my own ensuite, which in this house there are 2 ensuite rooms and 2 normal rooms, which you have the sharing bathroom like I said. Look at this. Personally, I love marble tiles, and this marble tiles look really nice with this nice mirror as well, and it's all overall just neutral, so that is why I like it. There is no bath, that is fine. I can go in the family bathroom and have a bath. So now you have just seen the whole house tour of this show home. It was amazing. I really liked it. It was very spacious, and it is the first house as soon as you enter this whole new Tilia site, which is right actually next to our house as well. So I'll hopefully be showing you guys a lot more of these houses, but I'll show you around the whole site as well. Hopefully you guys feel maybe inspired or hopefully like it. So don't forget to leave a like and a thumbs up, and hopefully you maybe also be buying a house like this, because I personally love it and I hope you guys loved it too. And I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!